How to use the law of assumption. You might have heard of the law of attraction, but what about the law of assumption? If you've been looking for an easy and powerful way to manifest your desires quickly, the law of assumption might be just the method for you. In this article, we'll teach you all about the law of assumption and how to use it so you can start bringing positivity into your life ASAP. Read on for good vibes. Things you should know. 1. The law of assumption is based on the idea that your imagination creates your reality, so if you imagine your desires, you can manifest them into real life. 2. To use the law of assumption, assume you already have what you want. Instead of longing for your dream, imagine what it would feel like to live it. 3. Think positively by swapping the worst-case scenario for the best-case scenario and using affirmations to boost self-confidence. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption states you'll get what you want by believing it already exists in your life. The legendary mystic Neville Goddard created this powerful thinking tactic and believed that what you imagine can become your reality. By imagining yourself as though you've already achieved your goals and desires, you show the universe exactly what you want and may manifest those dreams into reality. You can use the law of assumption to manifest love, good health, wealth, career goals, you name it. If you can believe it, you can manifest it. Every product or achievement started as an idea and eventually manifested itself into reality. The law of assumption tells us that each and every one of us has the power to manifest our desires. All we have to do is assume that they're on their way to us. The law of assumption is more positive than the law of attraction. The law claims that by expecting success, success will come to you. Have you ever noticed that some people always get what they want, even if they don't seem to deserve it? Well, the chances are, those people believe they deserve it, and that's why things always work out for them. The law of assumption asks you to stop assuming that you're going to fail and start assuming you're going to succeed because, hey, why wouldn't you? The law of assumption takes time, so don't give up if it doesn't work for you right away. As it asks you to believe in yourself, the law of assumption also asks you to believe in it. Adopting an assumptive mindset helps you gain confidence. The more you assume you're worthy of receiving your desires, the more confident you'll become. When we shut down negative thinking in favor of an I deserve it attitude, we stop doubting and start believing. It's just as easy to think positively as it is negatively, so why not opt in favor of the latter? Worrying or obsessing about whether you'll achieve a goal or not is typically fruitless. By simply changing why me to why not me, you might be surprised how quickly things shift in your favor. The law of assumption raises your vibrational energy. Many believe that our thoughts are incredibly powerful, and it isn't surprising to learn that positive thoughts are the most powerful of all. When you consistently challenge your negative beliefs and start to accept that anything is possible, you raise your vibrational energy and make it easier to manifest your desires at a rapid pace. When you put out positive energy by thinking good thoughts, you raise your vibration and make it easier to attract more good things into your life. In contrast, when you put out negative energy, your vibration lowers, and it's harder to manifest. Remember, you are the star of the show, so don't get stuck playing a supporting role. At any moment, you can take the lead and choose to assume the best for yourself rather than the worst. Assume that you already have what you want. Imagine what it would feel like if your dreams came true right this very moment. Perfect. Hold on to that feeling and think back to it often. You're achieving your manifestation goals as we speak simply by feeling what it would be like to live in your desired reality. Meditate for about 10 minutes a day to clear negative blockages and set the tone for positive thinking. While meditating, focus on all the desires you want to manifest in your life. Stay optimistic and think positively, even when things are tough. It can be easy to become trapped in a seemingly unending cycle of negative self-talk and worry. When you feel yourself getting down, stop what you're doing and take a moment to write down 5 things you're grateful for. This will help to shift you into a positive mindset and get you back on the sunny side. When you find yourself getting negative, take a moment to think back to what it would feel like if you already had all your desires to shift your perspective. Be specific about what you want. Say you want a brand new car. Imagine what it would feel like to drive it out of the lot. What does it smell like? How would you feel when you parked it in front of your house? Honing in on details makes your visualizations more realistic, which keeps your spirits up and motivates you to achieve your goals even more. The mind is the builder. You are equipped with every tool you need to get everything you want. Don't stop at one dream when you can have them all, just believe you deserve them. Use visualization tools to help you picture your perfect future. If you have difficulty imagining things, try making a vision board or starting a once-a-day manifestation journal to remind yourself of what you deserve every day. No matter how you decide to manifest, it's the effort that counts, and the great thing is that the universe doesn't know the difference. Set aside 5 minutes of your day to focus on your desires and what it would feel like if you had them. Keep your vibrations high by using positive affirmations daily. Mantras and affirmations are powerful tools that you can use to help the law of assumption to manifest your desires even faster. Say them in the morning and before bed, write them out in a journal daily, repeat them when you're feeling low, or even try creating your own. No matter how you decide to use your affirmations, you're raising your vibration and bringing positive energy your way. For example, you might repeat the following affirmations throughout the day: I get anything and everything I want just because I believe I should. I get everything I want because I deserve it. I am enough. My imagination creates my reality. What I feel, I receive. This article was co-authored by Joanna Gerard and by WikiHow staff writer, Savannah Vold. Joanna Gerard is a psychic, astrologer, and entertainer with over 15 years of professional experience in the field. She specializes in psychic readings and has taught astrology and psychic development classes. As an entrepreneur and writer, she has created her own unique set of astrology oracle cards, the Praying Mantis Oracle Deck. Joanna conducts psychic readings for people all over the world and has specific experience working with entrepreneurs and business owners. Her media appearances include interviews with KUSI San Diego and Fox 5 AM News. She has degrees in mass communications and education. This article has been viewed 36,008 times.